data room.
The city data room so nice and big.
And when they design a data room, it's not electrical, we have to have space around. In the event of an emergency, you can back up. So we don't go. Alright?
You see the size of the rooms and they all stacked. Every floor is the same place.
Let me show you this one. So this is the part of the building management brain. So these are some of the panels that would control the occupancy sensors on each floor. So they communicate through here and then to the main.
Okay.
And then like access control for the swiping in, we have panels like that. And this is coming from the panel room down by the basement. So they go into each floor. So you see how neatly they're not all over the place? So they just tee off into each area. So this one would come up and then go into the panel room, the main panel room there. You can pull that door.
Yeah, in the ceiling, it's not in the slab anymore.
Oh no, no, not
Look
in the
at
sun.
this room, man. This is a nice, nice space.
So in here we have transformers.
Panels.
We have a DC transformer and panels. You notice how neat the panel room is. So if a breaker trip, you can come into the panel room and all you have to do is just read. Everything is labeled so you know where to find what. Yeah. No, not cables, that's our AC door.
AC.
Right. So that's what this is going on to the next floor. So all the way from the roof going down. This tee off here and well, one is here, so tee off and go to the different floor. But how it's done, you see, when we go up I can explain some more. So you have eight air handler units, right? But they are plumbed differently. So this one, so you have one specific that come down to maybe 2 floors or 3 floors. Then you have another one that just coming down and go down like to level 1 and level 0. So it's not like you're sharing the air for every floor. So it goes down to specific areas.
And the labs are separated as well. Right.
Yeah, man, right. So to the back where you have the TC rooms that we looked at around there, you have ducts that come down from. It's what I was telling the downstairs where I said that shaft that you're not seeing behind the wall.
Right,
you have ducts in there as well, coming down, going to various floors.
Okay.
Right.
So it's only supply ducts alone coming.
Right.
Normally, for air conditioning, you have supply and return way back. You can't have return from here. You have to exhaust everything out and just pump.
Right, you just
pressure
dump the air.
everywhere.
Okay, that's what dumped into
I
the
love
central.
I just love to show it off and say we dump here. Because some person say when they come into the building, they say, boy, it's not energy efficient. Because all this cool air feeling wasting. But we just dump in the air, dump in the cool air. We
It's
don't
passive
need it.
cooling. We don't.
Passive, right. We don't need it.
Yeah, just waste it.
Alright, so in this panel room, we have UPS panels and we have just regular panels, right? JPS
It's your
panels.
nicest panel room is
Clean current and dirty current.
The electrician don't have to.
When you say clean current, and as in when you produce and
No, JPS is dirty power and UPS is clean,
power.
consistent. Because it goes through, it's like UPS, so it's supposed to be continuous.
oh, okay, don't fluctuate.
Yeah, right, so right.
So it's all neatly done.
Right, cables in rows that goes on each
The
panel.
occupancy centers also work with
You can come.
or just for the electricity?
Yeah, man, for spaces, so we zone them. I was looking for one, but I'm not seeing. When I see one, I'll show you. You'll see them in the two.
What's that?
This is the mirror of that.
Oh, okay.
So there's an occupancy sensor on the wall there. That thing that looks like a mic. So that's an occupancy sensor. So it's supposed to calculate relative humidity, dew point, all of that to cool the space. It can tell you the temperature reading for that space, how many percent, the heat, all of that for the space.
If you're quiet, you'll be absolutely moving fast. So these are the air handling.